Don't know how to design home corners? Want to make your home corners to look more aesthetic? Then you are watching right video.
Nine creative ideas to design your home corners. You are the one who like to capture moments through camera, and do paintings. But do not have space at your home to showcase your talent. Don't be sad. You can create gallery wall at your corners. If you are fond of reading, but do not have reading spot at your home, then just add chair and table at corner of your room. It will transform your boring corner into reading spot. Don't know how to create more space in your room? Just add sectional sofa at corner of your room. It will provide more space in room, and enough seating space, and corner will look cozy and compact. If you are working from home and not getting proper space at your home to do your work, then working desk is made up for you. You just have to put a table and a chair at corner and set up your own working zone. If you have small corners, though want to utilize it, then just add shelves at your corners. There are two kinds of shelves. Floating shelves, which is a fixed furniture, and freestanding shelves, which is a movable furniture. Both can be used for displaying decor items. Many of you may have odd corners, but not interested in floating shelves. Here is the simple solution. Add indoor plants. It improves air quality of room and also gives sense of well-being. Are you thinking of using your corner space practically and creatively? Then just add cabinet at your corner. It can be used for storage, as well as displaying decor items. Want to add fun at your corners? Then, hanging chair is best option for you. It provides more floor space. Thanks for watching. Please do like and share. Comment your suggestions. For more information, visit www.gharpedia.com.